BoxMaster is the new case format of Siat that combine together the great experience and the innovation. You have to choose a BoxMaster because it's easy to use and flexible. Box magazine is easy to load, easy to set. The machine is also completely redesigned to allow the operator to easily set the parameters and to have a clear feedback from the machine of its behavior and its performance. Control cabinet has a big dimension in the way that is possible to maintenance in the easy way. Box magazine allows the operator to easily load the boxes. Also during the working of the machine, all the versions are equipped with the touch panel that allow the operator to set all the parameters of the machine. The machine is designed to simplify the way of maintenance the machine itself. The full access to the inside mechanical and electronics components to have a clear vision of the situation and make the maintenance in a really easy way. It's also easy to change the format of the boxes using the handles with the counter that take the same dimension of the boxes. The operator can work in really safe condition around the machine. It is flexible because it's able to manage different type, quality, and thickness of cardboard. The machine is able to adapt its behavior linked to the type and quality of the cardboard and make the former and the closure of the boxes in the correct way.